potential tornado. We just got alert of a fire hazard in the cabin and to alert. Don't know where the tornado may be, but he's definitely touching down. We're about to land in 15 minutes. Did we just get it, or did everybody else? Because it said alert the cabin. Was it just us or everybody? Because we are under the fire exit.
Yeah, okay, well, there ain't no fire happening yet.
Well, what would we know would be under?
If there was a problem, they'd be coming to see us.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just got an alert for a potential cabin hazard fire and also at the same time a tornado. Two different things at the same time. Well, I don't see it being windy. I did see the clouds moving, but it doesn't seem like it's windy outside. The strange part is that it didn't say where in Winnipeg. Could be Saskatchewan. Never seen anything like that. Never had a message of a potential fire hazard. Prepared for everything. Doesn't look windy, so I don't know why we got a tornado warning. It's just one of those days. It's just one of those days we need to be prepared for everything. We don't see anything. this life and become a jazz. Oh, is that thunder? Is that lightning? Watching. And it's not raining. We landed safely. Even though there was a red message on the screen saying potential fire hazard, there seems to be like lightning. It's very strange. It looks like it's lightning. Something's building up. The tornado warning.
Welcome to Winnipeg. Local time is 6:17 p.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and your personal items stowed until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Smoking is not permitted. Airplane mode may not be turned on. Please be careful when opening overhead bins as these may have shifted during the flight. Before deplaning, we encourage you technology to ensure you have all your personal belongings with you. Ensure you require assistance during deplaning. Please let us confirm an
Okay, I'm just feeling really strange that the pilot didn't say anything about the fire hazard warning. He could have at least said something. He never said anything about tornado. He could have said something. That's pretty typical Winnipeg behavior.